Welcome to How To in Under 2. Today's How To, poached eggs. Before we get started, hit the subscribe and like button and stay until the end of the video for the recipe and extra tips. First, grab an egg and then crack it into a bowl. Place a pot of water onto the stove and bring it to a simmer. Now add the vinegar and salt to the water. Use a fork and stir the water. This helps to keep the egg shape. Slowly pour the egg in so it does not break. Use a spoon to keep the egg rotating. This helps to keep the shape. Once at the desired doneness, remove and season with some salt and pepper. To turn these beautiful poached eggs into Eggs Benedict, add some hollandaise. Follow the link in the top right hand corner for how to. Thank you for watching today. If you liked the video and would like to see more how-tos, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any special requests and I'll be happy to get back to you.